Premiere Pro is one of the most popular video editing software in the world, and it's part of the Adobe Creative Suite of programs. However, with such a powerful tool at hand, it's natural that some beginners can sometimes be confused in the most basic things. My name is Yadullah, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video, we're talking about how you can export videos in Premiere Pro. So once you're done editing your project in Premiere, simply select the timeline, head over to File, hover your mouse over Export, and then click the Media option. Alternatively, you can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+M or Command+M if you're on a Mac, or if you're on the latest version of Premiere, simply head over to the Export tab. Wait for the tab to load and you'll see a bunch of options here about audio, video, captions, the metadata of the video, and any other general settings that you might want to edit. You'll also see a bunch of presets if you're uploading for YouTube, or if you want to just match the source footage, or if you just want a high quality 1080p or 4K or even 480p preset, Premiere has got you covered. Select the preset that you want, select your editing options, and then you have two options to work with. You can either send your video to the Adobe Media Encoder, or you can just click the export option to export the video right away. The only difference being, if you send it to the Media Encoder, you'll have the option of editing it or rendering it later with multiple videos from multiple other projects. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below if we can make more such content for you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website, Candid.Technology. Follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.